boat in the water this morning. It's been several months of it being out of commission while Jason worked on it, repainted the keel, and all kinds of stuff. What all have you done?
I patched, I had a through hole fitting, about a 2-inch hole in the boat that was leaking pretty bad. So we took it out and all, fiberglassed it up so it doesn't exist no more. Found a crack in the gel coat right in front of the keel, and there was some bad fiberglass, or it looks like honeycomb fiberglass right in front of the keel. So we ground all of it out and re-fiberglassed that all up and patched it up. Got a slight problem right there. I'm gonna go get some lumber and see if I can't jack this boat up on the trailer and let the keel down some and do some inspection work. That does not look good. I don't really know what I'm doing, but as far as I know, you just grind that out and put new fiberglass and stuff in it. Slight problem, I got a hole in the boot. Replace a weldment. We got the keel out and cleaned it up and tried to smooth it out some and put a new coat of paint on it. So
feels like it needs to go over the whole thing.
Sure enough.
Yep.
Easy does it.
You don't need to get bumped in, or mine's all the way in.
We'll see. I hope everything works.
But the last time we sailed, we had some major leaks, so something had to be done. And it was a good day the other day when the keel actually went back under the boat.
Thank God.
And so we're trying it out this morning to see if it's gonna work and if there's any leaks. And so we'll see. What, do you see any leaks?
Well, I'm not seeing any water yet. Thank God. I believe if I saw water, I'd just cry.
Mm-hmm. The wind's blowing good. It's a bit overcast, but warm weather. I'm gonna give her a shot.
We got more wind than what we had last time, so we're having fun. We're cruising across the bay right now pretty quick. I didn't even put the jib up. Just showing up money won't do that.
I thought you wanted to sail.
Well, it depends how much money I got.
How about a big sailboat?
I'd take it big. We really don't know what we're doing.
This is rough. It is a pretty day though.